Hi guys, this is Sylvia at Busy Art, and this is our artwork for today, and it says, to him who is able to do immeasurably more than all we ask or imagine, and that's from Ephesians 3:20, and this is how we make it. I have my template here which you can access on the website, and I've had fun colouring this in. See, they're slightly different colours to this one, but around God's throne is rainbow colours, so that's why I've done it like that. Now I've got this, I've folded these fold lines over. Okay, I put a B on there for to make you see it's the bottom. I can't see it on my artwork. Oh yeah, it's on there, a B at the bottom, so you don't get it mixed up. It's a bit tricky, but, and this line is to help you to line this up on when it's stuck on there. So this is how it will stick on. This is how my one here has been done. Okay, so first of all, I don't know why I've stuck some little ones on. I've done it, but you can just put one piece on. Okay, so I've lined that up against the fold, this piece against the fold, but not on line with the fold, so it's in line with this line. Okay, so if you put that to there and then push it down, it's stuck. Okay, so now we'll stick the immeasurably more on, and I'll put 3 bits on again. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I've folded this sort of like in half. Doesn't have to be perfect, but then I've lined this up again, balance it up. I've put a little dot there on the artwork, so that will be the base of it. Okay, can you see that, the dot there? So you line it up with that little dot there, like so, and then put that one over. No, it needs to go this way around, doesn't it? So it's still the right way up. Okay, so line it up with that dot, and then line it up with this pencil line or faint line. Okay, so that will go like that, and push it down, so that's stuck on. Okay, now I'll put that one over there. It looks a bit tricky, but it does work out. So I take those ones off, and that needs to stick on this immeasurably more, so I'll fold it over like that and push it down. Okay, now this is the final bit. Okay, and then we fold this over like that, and then ta-da! I'm sure you'll have fun making that, and just remember that Jesus, well, God can do, well, Jesus and God can do immeasurably more than we could ever ask or imagine. God bless, and see you next time.